Hello everyone, this is Mr. Maniac and welcome to Mr. Maniac YouTube channel. Today I got the first request from the user called the Man of a Goodwill. He said, can you please react to the Lady of Heaven trailer? Oh yes, I will react to it because this is my first request. Okay, so let's see what is there in the IMDb about this trailer or this movie. The heart-wrenching journey of Lady Fatima, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad, separated by 1400th year, an Iraqi child in the midst of war-torn country, learns the importance of the power and patience. Oh, this is all about the girl, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad. So I don't know about this trailer. Let's get into the trailer. This trailer released 2 months ago, December 23rd, 2020. It already crossed 2 million views. I know this is very less views compared to any Indian movie trailer, but let's see.
The world is in shock as a group of terrorists has taken control of large areas of Syria and Iraq.
The world can be a cruel and dangerous place. Remember, even if you're afraid, be strong. Your loving mother, Fatima.
Did your mother ever tell you the story of the Lady of Heaven? She was very special. Daughter to the Prophet Muhammad.
My time is near,
1500 years ago.
and afterwards, my lovely Fatima, you will face many trials.
With my father no longer here to lead us, evil is with those who will extinguish the light of truth.
You're gonna let a woman tell us what to do? We will burn her out!
God will judge all of you.
This world has become a breeding ground of violence. Shadow will be cast across many generations to come.
It said some people are so full of faith, they give strength to everyone around them.
The greatest thing in this life and the hereafter is the spreading of peace in the world.
Lady Fatima's goodness inspired people to stand up, no matter what the cost. Her legacy lives on.
The trailer is pretty epic, and I can see some war scenes and pretty chaos situation going on everywhere. And the cinematography is very good. The presentation of the director's scenes are very good, and I can see this movie depicts two plot lines simultaneously. I can see the Iraqi child, the plight of the Iraqi child, uh, who loses everything because of terrorist or some evil things in the society uh, during the war, maybe between two nations like thing or two groups. And also they want to show the heart-wrenching journey of Lady Fatima, the daughter of Prophet Muhammad. Mm, the story is to give the hope to the children by living storyline of Lady Fatima to be the inspiration for the next generation of the legacy continues. I have seen many videos and many article stories about the situation in the Middle East, like Iraq, Iran. They deal with a lot of terrorists and many bomb blasts and chaos everywhere in the streets. There is no peace in the Middle East. I can see in this movie, the one show the plight of the Iraqi people. By this movie, we can understand the things pretty good. I guess the lady Fatima, some is there in some Islamic scripture. I think they will show some Islamic traditions in this movie. I don't know about that traditions, but I think they will show something about it. I can see the timelines between them. There is no change at all. There is no change between the timelines because same thing is happening again and again. The destructions, the chaos. At the beginning, they used country swords and many things to destroy people because they don't understand the thing, because they don't agree with the thing they agreed with. Now we are using machinery guns and bombs, atom bombs and many bombs to attack on people. We should be peace. The world should be peace. Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. I believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. We should be in peace. And there is also mention in the people we want peace. Yes, we all need peace. The Middle East also want peace right now. Okay, this teaser released on 23rd December 2020, 2 months back, 2 to 3 months back, and it got 2 million views. And maybe it is released already, or I don't know. It may be released after some days. If you know about the release date, please tell me in the comment box. And if you like this reaction, please like my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go and subscribe the channel, and also click the bell icon to get the continuous reaction videos like this on your notifications. And thanks for watching this video. Bye.